Now that you are done creating your YouTube channel, congratulations. And I want you to know that there are some key settings you need to put in place so as to enable you to be the legal owner of your YouTube channel. And also to avoid unauthorized usage of your content. So if this is something you're interested about, keep on watching this video. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Confidence. In this channel I teach about how to grow a YouTube channel, how to make money both online and offline. I'm going to show you all the settings you need to put in place after opening your YouTube channel, step by step, so as to enable you to be the legal owner of your YouTube channel. So if this is something you're interested about, make sure you watch this video from beginning to end. Do not skip any parts. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. So this is the interface of the YouTube channel I just created. All I need to do here is to secure my account. To do that, I have to turn on my two-step verification. So to turn on my two-step verification, I'll click on You. I'll click on Google account. I'll click on security. Now my two-step verification is turned off, so I'll click on it. I will enter my password. So when I finish entering my password, the code will send to me my phone number. I'll forward it back to Google. Google will verify it. Then my two-step verification will be on. When I did my own here, it helps me to start uploading my customized thumbnail. Because if you do not verify your account, you cannot upload thumbnail that you design. You're only allowed to upload the thumbnail that Google will be sent to you. But when I finished doing my own, I was able to upload my thumbnail. I went to my YouTube studio, desktop version of my YouTube studio, to verify my account, and they told me that my phone number has already been verified. You see, it's very important to set it. Then now that I'm through with this, the next setting I'll be doing is to go to my YouTube dashboard. To do that, I will click Chrome browser. I will click www.youtube studio. I will click continue to studio. It will take me to YouTube dashboard. So this is my YouTube dashboard. I'll move to customization. I'll click on customization. This is the first thing I'm supposed to do here. I'll click on this icon. It will open to show me this interface. So the first interface I'm going to see is profile. Under this profile, I'm expected to put my banner. My banner simply means my image that is advertising my channel. So for me to do that, I'll just go and create a banner and upload it here. If I upload it here, it will automatically surface here. So another thing I'm going to do is picture. This picture, I already uploaded this picture when I was creating my channel. Okay, if you remember, can remember it. So now, if I want to change this picture, I can still click on it and upload another one and put on it. So it's very easy. So if you don't know how to upload picture, let me know in the comment section. If you don't know how to upload banner also, let me know in the comment section. So after uploading my profile picture, I'll see name. I am expected to put my name here. So what is my name? As you can see, I have Joseph Nkechi as my name. I have Joseph Nkechi as my name. Then is my name here, which will serve as my name. I will leave it like that because I like it. If I don't like it, I can click and change it. So after that, I'll look at the handle. You know, this Joseph Nkechi will now become at Joseph Nkechi, then 03Z. If I don't like this, I can change it. If another person is already using it, YouTube will notify me that another person is already using the handle that I've chosen. But I'll continue trying it until they will give me the one that I like. But this one is just for tutorial purposes. I will leave it like this. So another thing here is description. Another thing I'm going to see is description. I'll briefly tell my audience what this channel is all about. I'll briefly tell my viewers, people that will watch it, what this channel is all about. I'll brief them here. Then add language. Me, I'm going to add English language. Channel URL. Immediately your channel is created, URL will be given to you. Then when you click, you see link. Assuming you are in other social media platform, you are expected to put the link here. If you are on Facebook, you are on TikTok, you are expected to put your link here. After that, you are going to see contact info. This contact info is your email address, but please do not put the email address that you use and opening your channel for security purposes. You now see video watermark. Some people, when you finish suffering yourself and producing your video, they'll come and download it and go and re-download it and be claiming ownership of it. So all you have to do is just to make sure that you customize your picture, make it, crop it, and bring it to the side that you require here, and put it there, so that anybody that download your video and be claiming ownership of it, that will be an evidence that is not the person's own, that is your own. So it's very important. See where it is written upload. You click on this upload and upload it. Just the way you upload your banner, your picture, your profile picture, and then this one, all of them, upload it. So another thing we're going to be looking at is this home tab. When you click on home tab, you discover that all the features here is not working, simply because you have not uploaded any video. If you upload video, it will begin to work. You come here and turn it on, you start working. But make sure you upload 3 to 4 or 5 videos. If you don't know how to work on that for you session, let me know on the comment section. But that should be when you have uploaded video. So another place we'll be moving on now is our general setting. Click on this icon here. You allow it to load. So when you look at the general setting, you're going to see general. Under setting, you're going to see general. So when you look at general, the only thing you have here is currency. So this currency is automatically putting as dollar. Another thing we'll be looking at is general. When you click on general, you will see basic information. When I click on basic information, you see country of residence, the place you are living, the country you are residing currently, you write it. So when you come to this keyword simply means key point. So what are you expected to do here? You are expected to put everything that your channel is all about. That area of specialization, what you be doing in your channel, make sure you describe it here. If you don't know how to do it, make sure you go to ChatGPT or Video IQ and type it as a question. It will help you generate all the keywords you need to do in your you need to write here according to your niche. If you want to write this keyword, make sure you put comma. So after that, I'll move to advanced setting. When you move to advanced setting, it will ask me whether this my kid, is it meant for kid or not. Of course, it's not meant for kid. I will say no, but if it is meant for kid, I will write is meant for kid. I'll now move to feature eligibility. This feature eligibility, standard feature has automatically been enabled. So that is, you will upload video. Immediately you do what? You create your YouTube channel. Okay, for you to make use of intermediate features, you're going to verify your account. And if you verify your account, you'll now be able to upload video that is up to 15 minutes. And you're also going to be uploading custom thumbnail. I've explained this earlier on. And also be able to do live streaming, that is to go live. Upload default. If you come to this upload default, this one is very important because anything you do here will always reflect in all your videos. If you want to upload any video, it will reflect. Have the opportunity to edit it. So if you like, you can leave it plain like this, or you can put in your information here since you have the opportunity of editing it. So here is tag. If you write your tag, make sure you put comma. Then we'll now move to advanced setting. advanced setting, you see comment, you have to leave your comment on so that you can always reply, because it will bring engagement to make YouTube to know that you are serious what you're doing. So in your advanced setting, you will see automatic chapters. If you want to, so make sure you turn it on. License, you have to do research and know what you're supposed to do, but for me, I will leave standard YouTube license. Language, video language, me I will use English. Title and description language, I will use English. Comment, I will leave it on. Then basic information. When I come to basic information, this is you telling YouTube what you want. If you don't want insert in your comment section, you have to come and do it here. So me, I'll be selecting what? Basic. So after everything I do here, I will do what? Click on save. If I did not click on save, I have not do anything. Everything I did here will disappear. So that's all about all you need to know about channel setup, because when you do all these things, you will now start uploading your video, and when you finish uploading your video, you don't have any problem again. So now that you have finished watching this, so you go through it again and again. If you did not understand anything, you just come to the comment section and comment it down below. Okay, if it will require me to make a video, I'll make a video on that question. Please and please, if you learn something from what you just watched, I am pleading, support me. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and lastly, give me a thumbs up. Bye bye and see you in my next video.